Marketing operations have historically been siloed by technical capability, requiring cross-functional engineering support whenever creative teams needed internal automation. The emergence of agentic command line tools like Claude Code has completely reconfigured this dynamic, allowing growth marketers without any programming experience to act as their own developers. As highlighted in a case study from Anthropic's growth marketing team, non-technical professionals can build fully customized local software, such as dedicated Figma design plugins, simply by articulating their business challenges in plain English. This shift eliminates the traditional engineering ticket queue, allowing growth teams to instantly address workflow friction at the exact moment they experience it. Dramatic reductions in operational overhead. The primary operational dividend of deploying an autonomous agent into growth loops is the immediate optimization of asset distribution. High-frequency digital marketing requires testing an expansive matrix of creative variants, such as rendering 10 distinct headline iterations across 5 varying aspect ratios to find high-performing variations. Manually copying frames, extracting copy from static text documents, and constantly resizing layers typically translates to roughly 30 minutes of repetitive manual labor per asset batch. By utilizing an AI agent that runs natively in local directories, this entire template scanning, copy-pasting, and versioning process shrinks down to a mere 30 seconds. Teams are freed from manual asset assembly, turning a grueling operational bottleneck into a friction-free execution loop. What distinguishes this operational shift from traditional trigger-based tools is deep context retention across disparate software platforms via the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Serving as an open standard, MCP allows the model to act as a secure, temporary translator directly between the AI client and essential ecosystem tools, like web data servers, visual layout applications, and analytics dashboards. Unlike rigid automation lines that split text generation away from design software, an agent interacting via MCP retains strategic parameters, including brand voice, audience persona rules, and past performance history, across every single step of execution. The model can pull performance data from the previous week, cross-reference it with compliance libraries, script new multi-format content, and command asset generation systems to render visual materials without losing the core strategic thread. Scalable brand consistency and strategic leverage. By moving tactical operations into persistent text architectures like project-level instruction files, Claude.md, and pre-configured team skills, organizations ensure structural uniformity across all outgoing initiatives. Whether an automation is run by an entry-level intern or a senior director, the execution model cross-references standard criteria, such as compliance checklists, strict voice parameters, and layout guidelines, ensuring identical corporate standards. Ultimately, offloading routine, low-leverage tasks like manual layout variations, copy splicing, and multi-platform text resizing protects growth teams from creative fatigue. Marketers shift away from serving as mechanical software operators and step back into high-leverage roles, focused on consumer psychology, overarching brand narrative, and macro campaign strategy.